Hello. This program demonstrates how a basic neural network works internally and it is built from scratch using Numpy. The goal is to learn the XOR logic, which requires a non-linear model with a hidden layer. The input matrix represents all four XOR combinations, and the output matrix contains their expected results. The network uses two input neurons, two hidden neurons, and one output neuron with weights initialized randomly. The sigmoid function converts raw values into probabilities. The forward prop function computes the hidden layer values and the final prediction through matrix multiplication and activation. The backward prop function calculates the error at the output, finds gradients for each weight, and computes how the error flows back into the hidden layer. The training loop repeatedly performs forward propagation, calculates the loss using binary cross entropy, performs back propagation, and updates the weights using gradient descent. A loss graph is plotted to show steady improvement. The predict function runs forward propagation on new inputs and produces either a 0 or 1 based on the final activation output. After training the model successfully, predicts all XOR outputs, proving that the network has learned the non-linear mapping. Thank you.